Hello guys, this is Chris coming to you from Crisp Digitals. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for stopping by, and also thank you for those who are coming for the first time and watching my channel for the first time. You guys are very much welcome. Today I want to share with you guys this calendar that I created for the month of October. Yes, I know it's been a while since I created a video. Been busy with other projects and stuff, but I decided to create this because the month of September is almost gone. So I know some of you were probably waiting for this video, so I decided to get this out there as soon as possible. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you will be notified every time I upload a new video on my channel. And if you haven't shared this video, please go ahead and share it, and please give a thumbs up and like this video. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. Appreciate you guys very much. And also I have my link in the description to my Facebook page. If you haven't joined the Facebook page, you can use the link in the description and join the group, and I will approve you as soon as possible. Okay guys, so this is a simple grayish calendar that I created again for the month of October, and it's very simple because it just gives you the regular days of the week, Sunday to Saturday, and you have these boxes that you can fill in things just like I've done here. So right here I have biking, walk the dog, even though I don't have a dog. This is just one example. Also here you have working on projects, and all these things are just things I put in just to fill the calendar in. And you guys can even see the way I do it right here live. I just click on the 6th and I can just type in, or I can just take one of this right here, just Control C, copy that, put it right here, and I can just adjust what I have in there. Just a dig down, I can put working on homework. Working on homework. So you see, you can just type anything there. So right here I have birthday, open, nothing here, open. Right here you can see what I did, 30th, not 23rd, because I made an error on this. I saw that when I was doing the video, and I'm like, never mind. But the file you guys are going to get is not going to have this error. Okay, I fixed that in the file, so when you download the file, it will be 30th, not 23rd. Okay. And also this planner, this calendar is free of charge, so you guys can go on my website and download that. And yeah, you can just download that and start using it. Some of you are already using paper to plan already while waiting for this, or you don't even have a planner right now, so you probably waiting for this video, and here it is. So you can go ahead and start planning your life and start planning your event. Okay, so let me show you guys how like the blown up version of this. So like I said, I think I said that, maybe not, but I use PowerPoint to create my planners. So when I go to PowerPoint, you will see the blown out version of this right here. So this is how beautiful it looks. Right here you have that imprint, kind of an imprint we'll call it, that is kind of attached into the calendar. It's something I decided to just create to throw in there and just have the October 2020 text there. And right here you can even plan with this. How big the screen is. You can probably, if you have like one of those pen, like Samsung pen or Apple pen, you can use that and start writing on this. That's gives you a visual interpretation, I guess, of what you're doing. I don't even know what I'm saying, but that's what I mean. Like you have a visual, like a bigger space to write on, not like this tiny space that I'm looking at right here. Instead, you have something this big to look at and to write, and to use your pen to write. Okay, let me show you guys something again So when you go to the OneNote, I have two of this here. This one is the PNG version. If you want to use this one, that's fine, but you don't have to use it because I provided to you just two files inside the folder. So you will have the PowerPoint presentation one that you can edit on, okay? And then you will have the PDF version. So right here you can go, when you open it, where is that? Did I close it? Yeah, I think I closed it. So let me just quickly go to that page. Can't believe I closed that. Oh boy. Okay, so right here, calendar, that, sorry guys, taking me all this way to go get it. So free calendar. Okay, so right here you will have the October version. So this one is the PDF, and this is the PowerPoint. So if you want to do any editing on this calendar, you will have to open the PowerPoint one. And right here, say example, if I open the PowerPoint version, this is how it's going to open. And right here, I can decide to, do my editing. So if I click on this area, I can decide to change the color. So I can go to shape fill right here. Okay, go to shape fill, and you can just change that to either red. So if I do red, it's changing. So if I go to brown, it's going to change. So whichever one you want to do, you can actually change it from here, okay? And you can also change this one too, to this color, okay? Kind of like it. Okay, so you can do a lot of changes if you want to, it's up to you, all right? So I'm going to undo this. Okay, so let's see how to import this calendar into your OneNote. Some people might not know how to do it. For those of you who know how to do it, congratulations. That's a milestone. Good job. But some people don't know how to do it, and some people are new to my channel or new to OneNote, and they might be wondering, how do you import PDF files onto your OneNote? So this is how you do it. So I'm going to create a new page. So right here that says plus page, I click on that, and I can go to the file that I just downloaded, and I can take the PDF one, which is this. So don't worry, you're only going to have the PDF and the PowerPoint. You won't have the PNG, okay? All right, so you're just going to have those two. Then you just drag the PDF, not the PowerPoint, the PDF version. That's the one you're going to drag. Now you're going to drag it and drop it. So now it's going to ask you, give you these three options. You're going to pick the last option that says insert as printout. Click on it, and here you go. So now to minimize this, you can go to view and page width. Click on that and go to where this scroll bar is and just scroll up. All right, so now you can click on that and press delete on your keyboard to take it out. So this right here, you can just hold Alt on your keyboard and just drag up. So now you can increase it by doing this, okay? Or you can decrease the size by doing that, okay? All right, let me just undo to make it to where I left it before. All right, let's leave it here. Okay, so right here, as you can see, like I promised you guys, the 23rd that was here has been corrected right here. So when you download that file, it will be the correct version. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys that, and thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. And by the way, I've been busy also doing another project. Let me show you guys that. It's a planner that I've been doing. So this is a glimpse, like a sneak peek of that planner. All right, so it's coming hopefully by the end of this week, probably Friday or Saturday. I will launch it out and you can get it on my website. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to talk to you guys later. Bye bye.